In matters of promotions and appraisals, what would your advice be to individuals who feel that their evaluations are unfair?
Thanks. It's a very good question. It's a very tricky question. We face these problems every day. I think if you feel you're being undervalued and that people haven't appreciated your work, you kind of need to pose it as a question where you're trying to learn something genuinely. So you might want to say to them that, oh, I thought that I did a good job on this particular assignment or project, but perhaps you feel that I did not, and I totally respect your viewpoint that I did not. So I don't want to make the same mistakes over again. Can you please tell me, sir or ma'am, what it is that I can do differently? What it is you think that I did wrong that I thought I did right? And can you pinpoint to me so that Sakshi, they don't feel defensive, they don't feel angry that you're questioning their judgment, and they don't turn around and say to you that, oh, you think you know better than me, that you have done a job properly?
True.
And they're willing to actually tell you that, okay, this is what you thought you did right, but in terms of company expectations, something should have been different.
At times, an employee doesn't know how to react under such situation. He feels, he's given his best, and
Correct.
irrespective of that, he's not been appraised for that.
Appreciated for it.
Appreciated for it.
I think you'll have to take it little bit with a pinch of salt as an employee. Sometimes it's our first appraisal, it's our first year, we are very over enthusiastic, very over eager. We really think, oh my God, I've done my best, I've done everything I could possibly do. You need to step back a little bit, Sakshi, and figure out what is the boss really saying. Perhaps something really needed to be done differently. It's not sometimes about right or wrong, that I was 100% wrong and the boss was 100% right. It's just that something needs to be done differently. But you have to tread softly and you have to have a genuinely learning stance when you question feedback. No doubt about that.
Is it about favoritism, like a boss might favor the other employee instead of me? Does that come into picture?
Yes, unfortunately sometimes it does. It's just how the cookie crumbles. You have to work around it. We can't do anything about it. Just work very hard. That's the answer.
Thank you so much, Mugdha, for your insights. It was
Thanks.
really helpful.
Thanks, dear.